Toyota RAV4 MK3 2006, left side front upper door hinge. Bit loose, bit rattly, not very good. Changed the passenger side, or the driver's side, which is there, yesterday, and up there is the new one in place. Just by loosening one wing bolt down there, one wing bolt there, taking out the draft excluder, which is held in by two of these little push clips. One's still in hold there, and the other one is in the bitch tray over there. Now I'm going to put some more bolts in, and by keeping the door shut, it keeps its alignment. Just remember not to open the damn door. See you in a minute. Just as a footnote, the bolts are two different lengths. This one goes in the door, this one in the A-pillar. But you'll notice there's a little chamfer that fits in the hole to allow some adjustment. But as I said, as I'm not opening the door, there shouldn't be any need for adjustment. He's hoping. Yes, I'm using an extension because I can't get my little fat fingers up there. But it should work. See you tomorrow. Okay, I cheated a bit more than the one extension. Actually, I'm using three extensions, different stages. For the door bolts, for the A-pillar bolts, this is the only one I can get in there. Can't get the ratchet in there, it won't move. Can't get me other ratchet in there, it won't move. So that and the double ring spanner, or the double spanner technique, works a treat. See you in a minute. Not focusing very well. There we go. Try not to swear. The phone's in the way. You get the idea. To tighten it up, the double spanner job. In. One tight, two tight, one tight, two tight. As I say, the lower one is actually a piece of cake. And done. Nice new shiny hinge. Now what we'll do is put it all back together again. As a side note, as I say, this car is 20 years old. Not exactly been treated with kid gloves, and a family car before I got it for 12 years. And that's all the rubbish that fell out from inside the wing. And the only bit of rust I can see is there where it bolts. So I'm going to cure that before we go any further. I like it, I like it, it's good stuff. Wait for that to dry. Wait for that to dry. And then chuck some match primer on. While that's drying, might as well put this back in place. Let's go and have a go. Gonna prop the wing open a bit more, I think. It's fiddly, it's got to go behind now, which is the middle wing attachment, and this bulbous bit covers that hinge, I believe. Wish me luck. I completely lied to you. It doesn't go there. Those buttons actually attach to the wing. So I've got to take my rag out and put the wing back in place first. What a silly arse I am. Where are we? Focus you this off. Bit of copper slip. Actually probably quite a lot of copper slip on the wing bolt. Not easy filming and working with one hand, especially left-handed. Wing in place. Down here. Clean this up a bit before I put any more. Right, let's get that dust cover in. Well, that was easier than I thought it was going to be. Oh, in you go. The hole's lined up. Yep. One. Casualty. Never mind. Not so expensive to replace. The original clips just turned to dust and they're in there somewhere. There's a bit of that square bit there. So, going by the other side. No, not that one. That goes in now. Those little puppies will do the job until I get to replace them. In you go. Jobbed. All done. All nice and aligned. And working perfectly. I'll give it a wash next.